Want to backup or transfer your Sniper Elite save file? These files preserve your campaign progress and unlocked content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to manage these Sniper Elite game save files for your gaming sessions. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust Sniper file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. Sniper files are game save files created by the Sniper Elite series of tactical shooter video games developed by Rebellion Developments. They store player campaign progress, mission completion status, unlocked weapons character customization options, and gameplay statistics for resuming saved game sessions. Sniper save files use the game's proprietary binary format, storing serialized game state data, including player position, inventory, mission objectives, and progression flags. The format includes checksums or signatures preventing tampering and is specific to the particular Sniper Elite title and version that created the save. For direct reading of Sniper content, the best choice is Sniper Elite developed by Rebellion Developments. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows shows only superficial attributes, so accessing real content depends on modding utilities. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the Sniper file and select Open With. Test Sniper Elite if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the Sniper format uniquely. If your Sniper file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, locating save files. Sniper Elite save files are stored in the user's documents folder, typically under Documents, Rebellion, Sniper Elite, Saves, or in the Steam user data directory for Steam installations. Navigate to the appropriate folder to find Sniper files for backup transfer or troubleshooting save game issues. Next, backing up game saves. Copy Sniper files to cloud storage or external drives to preserve game progress against system failures. Steam Cloud automatically syncs saves across devices when enabled in the game properties. Regular backups protect against corruption from crashes, power loss, or accidental save overwrites. Finally, resolving corrupted saves. If a Sniper file becomes corrupted and prevents loading restore from a previous backup or use the autosave, and earlier manual saves typically present in the Saves folder. Verify game files through Steam to repair installation issues that might cause save corruption during normal gameplay. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.